Here I go, emotional. Why do I let you in? Throwing words, I let them hurt, let them under my skin. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now? Hello you guys, it's Rosie. I am back and today I have many things I need to do, so I just decided to bring you guys along. So it is Friday, March 19th, and today I have to film an audition, and I have to film another YouTube video, and I have to edit these, and then I don't know what else I have to do. I have to edit my other video I'm doing with Starbucks drinks, so I might go do that today and film more of that video, but I don't know. So I just got ready for my first audition, and now we're just gonna film that, and then I have to edit that, and then we'll do the what's on my iPhone. A tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Okay, so I am done with my audition, or filming my audition, and I have to upload it to my computer and edit it, so I can upload it by tomorrow. Used to be love time until you fucked time. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head like. Okay, so I finished filming and editing my auditions, so now I'm just waiting for those to upload. While that happens, I'm going to catch up on 2 of my shows while I take a little break. And yeah, I can't believe it's almost 11. It's not even been too much today, but that's what we're gonna do, and yeah. Put a needle through some thread after the flames still. Okay, so I finished. First of all, I cleaned my fish tank. I always seem to clean his tank when I'm vlogging, but I cleaned his tank, and now I'm gonna edit this video. Your name, oh, you is it tattoo? Okay, so I got very distracted, but I did my nails in a clear color, and then I'm gonna do pink later. But I'm gonna help my dad with a birthday gift for my mother because her birthday is tomorrow. So it's a bunch of plastic, and we're cutting it to put in our outdoor area that's like covered, a cupboard. There we go. So it's not as windy when we eat out there. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so it's time for me to make some dinner. I'm so hungry, but my camera's gonna die. So hopefully it does not die. Is a tattoo on my heart, Blame on you, blame on me, all over nothing. Black and gold, dispose. Okay, so it is the next day. It is March 20th, which means it's my mom's birthday. So we're gonna spend the day with her, and I'm going to make cake pops for her. I made a video that I will link in the eye right here, so you guys can go watch that. But I think a lot today is gonna be with my mom, but I have no idea honestly. So let's get on with it. I look so tired. Ugh. Something. Where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now, even though we're better off apart? I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like.
So I have to run to the grocery store and Michael's so I can make cake pops today, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go do right now, and then we're gonna start on that project. Okay, so it's time to start making my cake. Well, not my mom's cake, kind of. Whatever.
Used to be left up until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head, like trying to put a needle through some thread. After the flames, still wearing your name on your wire. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart.
So, oh my gosh, I just got a message from the casting director. I just uploaded yesterday and they want me to audition again, and I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna go tell my fans because I'm so excited now. So now it's time to get into frosting. So what I need is butter, vanilla, and powdered sugar. So we're gonna do that.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. I know we've never met and things like this never last, but every time you text back I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face.
Okay, so I'm really bad at filming, but we're going to Target and we're going to Home Depot again so I can find a ring light for my audition tomorrow that I have to film. So I'm gonna go finish my night by spending the rest of the night with my family, so I'll see you guys tomorrow night. So this morning I have to film my second audition, and then my uncle is coming over with his wife to celebrate my mom's birthday, and who knows what else, but let's go.
Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Be ignored. I let you know every part of me, all of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night, I read then type. I know we've never met and things like this never last, but every time you text back I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. But I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. I really like you, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I am just putting a clear dip color over my nails, and now I'm just going to end today's vlog here. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!